Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Smashfest crashing the moment you tap the icon or closing itself before the game even loads? Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close Smashfest completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings, then go to General, iPhone Storage, and check how much free space is available. Smashfest 3D physics based destruction effects require adequate free storage to load, and the app crashes silently on launch when the storage is critically low. If the storage is nearly full, tap offload app on a few unused apps to free room. Then try Smash Fist again. If the storage is fine and the app is still crashing, press and hold on the Smash Fist app icon, tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete to completely uninstall it. Then go to the App Store, search for Smashfest and tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. After reinstalling, go to your settings again, then go to General, go to Software Update and install any pending iOS update. All you've got to do is check your storage, delete and reinstall fresh from App Store, update iOS, Smashfest launches without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe.